welcome back, nail queens. Today, literally right now, starts the Painted Desert's Black Friday savings. So if you guys are trying to save some money, you love their jelly tips and their cactus jelly and all their products as much as I do, these are their savings. There's so much money savings going on. But before I get into that, I'm going to do a quick little unboxing of my recent order from the Painted Desert. I picked up these medium coffin jelly tips in the lipstick shape. I know, so interesting. They were only $15, which is a steal if you ask me. Plus I got different shapes as well. I got the short almond. They were on like a flash sale for $10 a box last week. And I'm a press-on nail artist. I have my own press-on shop, and these are the short almonds that I carry in my shop. So I was like, let me restock, let me buy some backups, 600 pieces. That is a huge box. Both of them have 600 pieces. So for $10 and $15 for these two boxes, it was like I was robbing the store, it felt like. So let me show you these lipstick shaped ones. They're actually sold out now, and I don't think they plan on restocking, which is a bummer. But I figured they would be cool just to have and perhaps maybe offer them around Valentine's Day for my press-on nail shop. So you can see that they have that little lipstick angle right there. Some people might think this is weird, but I think it's really, really neat. I don't know if you guys have seen the owner of Vivid Glam Co. She has this shape in her shop, and she wears them beautifully. They look incredible on her. And how neat is this? They actually go in both directions. So you can wear one direction facing in on your left hand and the other on your right hand. How cool. I also picked up my most used size in the extra short almond. They're my favorite shape from the Painted Desert, and I go through size 6 quite frequently. I also picked up some gel top coats that were on sale. They just restocked the gold glitter top coat, and it was like $4 off. So I was like, let me just go buy that. I also picked up the regular glossy top coat because it is my favorite to use on myself when I apply jelly tips, and that one was half off. I think it was $7 for this one. So of course I had to add that and restock on this. I have another backup bottle, but it doesn't hurt to have more. So now I want to get into the actual discounts. First things first, you can save up to 25% on all lamps. I know this says 15%, but if you stack my affiliate code CAROLEANNETTE on top of it, it's up to 25%. And you can use that on anything in the store. So the first lamp I'm going to show you is their Sidewinder lamp. This is their version 2 lamp. The one they're currently selling on the website is version 3. I actually own it. I haven't pulled it out yet though. So I'm going to show you guys version 2. It has this little button here to turn it on, and it's rechargeable. So it's cordless, wireless, and rechargeable. And the gooseneck on it is literally so flexible. It's very compact, very portable. All in all, it's an incredible flash curing lamp. The next lamp they have on sale is their full-size boxy nail lamp. The base is removable, and you can see I've used it quite a bit. I love this lamp. It's very compact. It doesn't take up a lot of space. I love all the timing options you have here, 30, 60, 90 seconds, and you also have a low heat option if you want to use that mode. And the color that it flashes is this gorgeous blue color. Next up, you can save up to 50% off of their gel polish, gel base coats, and top coats. So it's 40% off automatically, but you can get an additional 10% off with my affiliate code, CAROLEANNETTE. So, I mean, who doesn't want extra 10% savings? During the sale, I'm stocking up on a lot of their gel polishes, but I want to show you guys the cactus color bases. I have a lot of their cactus color bases. They're beautiful, like light nude colors. They're very creamy, and they're great for attaching your jelly tips if you like to attach your jelly tips with a gel color instead of a clear. Rose quartz is one of my favorite rubber bases or color bases that they have. However, I think this one's out of stock. I hope it restocks for the sale, but I'm not entirely sure if it will. And it goes on really, really nice, like not as pink if you do like thinner layers. I have the Cactus Color Base 110. This one's my favorite because it's a glittery cactus color base. I recently used it on top of a brown gel polish, and I gave the nail like a gingerbread look. So you can do so much with this specific color. So if you can only snag one color during the sale, I recommend number 110. You can also save up to 50% on the gel top coats, the gel base coats, so don't forget about those because there's matte top coats, and I'll go over those in just a second. So you can save up to 20% on all of the brushes, which is awesome because these are literally my favorite nail art brushes ever. I've literally thrown out all of my other liner brushes because they were crap in comparison to these. I have all of their nail art brushes. The liner ones are my favorite to use. I use them almost every single time I do nail art. So you have the 5mm, 9mm, and 12mm right here. You also have the detail brush. It's a thicker but shorter brush, great for doing like petals and painting. Then you have the flat brush. This is great if you want to put like on a coat of color on your nail or anything like that. And I'm going to show you guys the liners. I kid you not, like if there's one thing I recommend from the entire Painted Desert store to purchase during the sale, it's the liner brushes. These are my favorite. They're literally amazing, so easy to clean. They're so thin and pointy. They keep their shape. They're incredible. And if you want to splurge on something, I don't know if these are going to be on sale, but the dotting tools are so beautiful. They just released them. It's $30 for the set, $29.99, and they're so pretty, and they're very lightweight, which is great if you're doing a lot of intricate work. You don't want all that weight in your hand while you're doing nail art. Next up is up to 30% off of all the quick gel tips. So 20% off is automatic, and then an extra 10% off with my affiliate code gets you 30% off total. I have so many tips from the Painted Desert. I showed you guys the short almond that I got and the medium coffin natural lipstick styles, but I literally carry so many styles. I have the extra short coffin, extra short almond, extra short oval. I carry so many of their tips. I use them all the time. You'll go on my Instagram and you'll see that I have different shapes and styles literally posted, but the extra short almond is my favorite, so that's like my focus shape. Yeah, is my favorite. Extra short almond, I have to have multiple boxes of those on hand because I go through those a lot faster. You can see here because I had to buy the refill pack. The refill packs are awesome. They have 50 pieces in them and you can buy them in any size and style, which is why I have so many here. They're my most used styles. And back to the 40% off, which is actually 50% off of the gel polish, gel base coats, top coats. I wanted to go over this again because I skipped over a couple things earlier in the video. There is just so much gel products that they have. So they have a velvet matte top coat. It's a beautiful top coat, and if you're saving 50% off, you might as well snag it. Like, I don't know many companies out there that do up to 50% off on gel products for Black Friday. They have a stainless steel top coat and a regular glossy top coat. The only difference between the two, in my opinion, really is the brush and the viscosity. So the stainless steel is going to be like one that can't stain. It can't be stained. It's like a stronger one. And then the regular glossy top coat. This one has my favorite brush. I love using this one when I apply my jelly tips. Additionally, their liner gel sets are 50% off, so it's $44.99 for this entire set, and guess what? It is HEMA-free. I have yet to find a HEMA-free gel liner set anywhere else on the market, whether it's Amazon or other gel polish or dip powder companies who offer it, let alone HEMA-free and this affordable. So if you guys want some great nail art, I recommend these, and their brushes are so thin, which is another great plus for me because some of the other sets I've purchased in the past have thicker brushes, which make doing detail work a little more difficult. So don't come for me if these don't go on sale during the time of the sale, but the time of me recording these, they put their prime time, which is my favorite primer ever because it's HEMA free. They put it on sale for $7 and they give you double the size. And last but not least, you can save 25% total on the Cactus Jelly bundle kit. This comes with the Sidewinder lamp, it comes with the stainless steel top coat, the Cactus Jelly Plus, which is the liquid you use to apply jelly tips, and your choice of one box of quick gel tips. So that's up to 25% off on this entire bundle. So now just for a quick recap, I'm going to show you guys all the discounts again on the screen here, but I'll have them listed down below as well in case you guys want to reference it and you want quick links to get to the sale. I'll have all of it linked down in the description box below. But I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys plan on shopping the sale, leave a comment below and let me know what you plan on buying during the sale. I'm a press-on nail artist now, and I have so many things I need to purchase or restock on because I have not seen a sale this great since I've been shopping the Painted Desert. All right, I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!